So, you're still whack.
Whack this Everdeen.
Whack Harlow.
Whack Black.
Whack a flack a lame. Okay, we're kidding. You're not that bad of a dancer. But if you want to take the easiest first step to becoming a better dancer, then make sure you subscribe to STEEZY's YouTube channel. And beyond our YouTube channel's tips and fun videos, if you actually want to get up and dance and train, you can sign up for www.steezy.co and check out over 900 plus online dance classes. We were even featured on the front page of the App Store.
Thanks, Tim. A while ago, we made this video, 4 Reasons Your Dancing Sucks.
And since then, we've seen a lot and learned a lot. So here's 4 more reasons why your dancing sucks.
The first reason your dancing sucks is because you don't know what to do with your hands.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
You'll notice in TV shows, movies, and plays, actors are almost always holding something in their hands or performing a task with them. This is because our arms, shoulders, and hands are huge indicators of nervous energy. So be specific with their positioning, like a ballerina or a crumper. Or just give your hands something to hold. This is a strong way to look more confident and dance more purposefully.
And if you want to dive deeper into this topic at hand, then check out more tips in this handy dandy video, you handsome person. Okay, that's enough. The second reason your dancing sucks is because you're not wearing the right clothes that complement your dance style. Like this. Wow, Jessie, your dancing's gotten a lot better. We often want to dance like our favorite dancers or fashion icons, or just what we assume that a dancer would wear. But what's most important is how an outfit makes you feel.
It took me so long to realize why my body had so many off days when it came to dance. Why isn't my body doing what I want it to do? It turns out that the form-fitting clothes that I often wore, specifically tighter jackets, slimmer jeans, didn't allow my body to feel like, well, my body.
I can relate to that, Clay, and so I started to be intentional with the way I dress for the type of dancing I'm doing. So for example, when I'm feeling sexy and I want to feel myself in a heels piece, I'll wear more form-fitting clothes that show off my lines and curves. And when I do bigger, more swaggy pieces, I need a bucket hat. That's plus 10 points of confidence right there. Let us know in the comments below if you want to see a video dedicated to how to dress for dance.
The third reason your dancing sucks is because you're not dancing with your face. What's dancing with your face, Clay? What even is dancing with your face? Your facial performance is what informs an audience of what you're feeling through a dance, but even more importantly, what they're supposed to feel.
But if it's not natural for you to use your facial expressions while dancing, then try this. Number 1, listen to a song that makes you feel like dancing, but don't dance. Instead, channel all that emotion straight to your face until it looks like you smelled something bad. Number 2, then start to add small movements. Just bob your head and start to add your arm movements to the song. Number 3, keep increasing your energy and range of motion. And don't forget to breathe. And now, you're dancing with your face and your body.
Your face is just a reflection of how you feel, so feel first and move second. The fourth reason your dancing sucks is because you think that faster and more complex movements means better dancing.
We see tons of fantastic dancers and crews that have quick and complex movements that basically kill every beat in a song. It's tight! But being a great dancer is not necessarily just about speed. It's about how you control your variations with the speed. Woo. Woo. Whoa.
For example, if I'm just talking like this, it's like, oh my gosh, shut up, Jessie, what are you even saying?
But now, when I'm emphasizing, enunciating, and even pausing for effect, that's good storytelling.
10 powerful and concise moves are better than 100 unclear and frantically smushed together moves. As you become familiar with them, you'll be able to stack on more and more moves until you're able to tell the stories that you want to tell. And before you know it, you'll be expressing yourself through dance in no time. And not sucking.
Listen, we love making these videos, but we don't want to make another 4 reasons your dancing sucks. That's 12 in total. So please stop sucking. And a great way to do that is to go to steezy.co and sign up for a free 7-day trial and take over 900 different classes of different styles and different levels from the world's best instructors, anytime, anywhere. What are you waiting for? To keep sucking more? You want to keep sucking?
Stop sucking!
Mark Zuckerberg.